Good morning.
Good morning.
We're just about to check out from the cabins to be moved to our new resort.
Mystery resort.
Yeah, our new mystery resort.
Where do you think we're going?
I don't know. We're going to head to the front desk now, see where we're moving to.
Return the golf cart.
Return the golf cart, sad. See if we can drop our luggage off at the new resort, and then we've got Hollywood Studios planned for the day.
Ready?
Ready, let's go. Oh, just while I was doing a little check of the cabins before we left, I found our shower puff. The last thing.
Always worth doing a final last check.
It is, isn't it?
Bye, cabin.
Goodbye, cabin.
You've done as well.
Sad to see you go so soon.
I know.
We'll be back. I loved it here.
Yeah, me.
We're checked out of Fort Wilderness now, and we've been told our new resort is Boardwalk.
Yes.
To keep us safe for a couple of nights while the hurricane passes through. I'm not mentally prepared to go to the Boardwalk because our very first day at the Boardwalk was supposed to be next year. But there we go, we're en route there now. Welcome to our new home. Just going to give you a really quick room tour because we're starving and need to go and get some breakfast. So we've just arrived at the room. It's a stunning room, I have to say. It's a one-bed villa that we've been moved to. So we're very grateful to have been moved here. It'll keep us safe.
Definitely.
So let me just show you around. There's the front door. Here's the big hallway. As you come in, and there's a closet here. And we've just shoved all our cases in there, extra pillow blanket. And then come on round. This is the kitchen, lounge area, dining area. So you've got a full-on kitchen, fridge, freezer. You've got a cooker there, microwave, your Keurig, another one of them really nice Keurigs where you can have it pod or pot. Dishwasher, and your sink. Well, you've also got a toaster as well. There's all your crockery and stuff as well. Your little table for dining. This massive lounge area. Really nice. Doors onto your balcony. Your TV and a little breakfast bar here. That's the connecting room if you've got a 2-bed villa. And then this sofa again pulls down to a Murphy bed. Just show me the picture behind, Max. Who's behind here? Ah, Donald, dreaming of Donald and Daisy on the carousel. That's so cute.
That's really cute.
That is really cute. Oh, and it's got the... Oh, they're in the boardwalk, look, because the yacht and beach is opposite.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also in here you've got your washer and dryer.
And your soap as well for it.
Here's the main bathroom with the shower in as well.
That doesn't open. That's just that.
Lovely big shower though.
Yeah. Well, that's a nice shower.
Yeah.
Ooh. And you've got your body wash, shampoo and conditioner there. Shut the door.
Come through to the master bedroom.
This bed.
Huge. Like,
Huge
literally
bed.
Huge. Here's me sitting on it. Huge. You've got a lovely chest of drawers here. Storage. Lovely big TV. A little shoe seat.
Yeah.
Full length mirror.
Nice. Wow, another chair.
Nice little lamp.
Oh, I like that lamp.
Yeah, little coffee table so you can sit here and read your book.
Oh, that's nice.
Bedside table then, you've got obviously your drawers here, there is a Bible in there. Plugs.
Oh yeah, what plugs have we got? Oh, USB-C and USB.
Yeah, there is a lot of
Thank
them
you.
around.
And on the other side that is. And you've also got storage underneath.
Here is the door to the double balcony.
Yeah, so this room has a double balcony, which goes all the way down, back into the living room and kitchen.
We have been told tonight, due to the hurricane tomorrow, we need to bring all patio furniture inside. So
Yeah.
we'll pop that in the living room a bit later on. I love the portraits of Goofy, Daisy and Donald. Then in here is the master bathroom with a bath, lovely artwork of Mickey, Minnie, Donald and Daisy rising the swans. That's really cute.
That's really, really nice. That
Storage again.
sink area is huge.
Yeah, loads of space, loads of storage, hair dryers in there, little makeup mirror. In here you've got a full-blown walk-in
Full-on
closet.
walk-in closet.
Where you've got a safe ironing board, luggage rack, extra pillow blankets, washing basket, coat hangers, steamer. Through this door here takes you back into the master bathroom. No, the main bathroom.
Yeah.
There you go. So that is our little one bed.
Little? It's not little.
No, it's definitely not little. It's anything but little.
Huge.
That's our room tour of the one bed for the boardwalk.
Let's go get some food. Starving. We're going to head to the Deli Boardwalk.
Boardwalk Deli.
Boardwalk Deli.
Stitch's back, yeah!
Hooray! Stitch! To get some food. If I remember last time, this is where I got that chicken, walnut and apple wrap, and it was very, very nice. So I might try that again. What are you going for?
I might go for the wrap too.
It's a really good wrap.
Is it?
Yeah, honestly, you'll really enjoy it. What side are you going for?
Crisps.
Ooh.
Welcome to my wrap.
Welcome to your wrap.
It's all grand and it's all green.
And also a warm cinnamon yum.
How was your wrap?
Really nice.
Yeah,
I think that's my favourite wrap here.
Yeah,
I said that before and I'll say it again. Now time for the yum yum. Is it a yum yum? Cinnamon yum?
A cinnamon yummy.
Cinnamon yummy.
But it's hot.
Yes. Get it on.
You've got your own fork there, you can dig in.
Has it got apple on it?
I'm really not sure. I haven't got a clue.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Great.
What a waste.
Oh, that's delicious.
Buttery,
So
cinnamony.
It's like a cinnamon roll, but then like glazed with some sort of
It's like
hot
sugar.
syrup.
Yeah.
Well, that's just delicious.
That is delicious. Hollywood.
Hey,
Hi.
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. It's not raining. So
Yeah, I know. That's it.
Thank you.
Mickey and Minnie's is 45 minutes. Rise is 45 minutes. Smugglers is 55. Slinky is 75.
75. Shall we head and do Mickey and Minnie's?
Yeah.
Might as well, as it's right there. You've got a friend in me.
Times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. And absolutely nothing will go wrong. Everything is just so peachy keen. Off to the park. See you all later. Nothing can stop us now.
Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
We have our own car.
We do!
Oh, what is it? Car? Train?
Train carriage.
Our own train carriage.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Bye! Woo, I'm sliding all over the place.
Hooray, hooray, hooray!
Oh my God! There they are! They'll be right back!
Hold on! Shoulder stick! Hold on! That's got nothing for my hair. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Do something! Do something! Okay!
We've had one crazy ride. On my side. Let's start to feel good. Nothing's gonna stop.
Entering back to reality, and we're back to being human. We are well done. But first, coffee.
Who is mom? Nobody.
Our regular bench.
We are heading to Toy Story Land.
Are we going to see who actually went on Slinky Dog again? Not Slinky Dog.
Good try. Toy Story Mania?
Yeah.
Yes. Me.
Step right up and see what's inside.
It's a game, it's a ride, it's a ride, it's a game.
Step on inside. Toy Story Mania.
It's where Alex should be.
I wouldn't open jail. Just say that. Glasses.
Thank you.
Max seems to think that he filmed this last time, and the only reason that he lost was because he was filming. We just checked back. It was me that was filming, and I won.
I definitely filmed it somewhere.
First time when you're ready.
Thank you. Here we go again.
Hey, partners, welcome to the practice game. One of those pies.
I'm going to save my energy because this is a practice.
Oh, great job, deputies.
Ready to score some points!
Ready? Let's go. Here we go.
If you want to shoot further, aim higher.
What colour am I? Red.
Yeah.
That's not a target. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Go back.
Balloon. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. How you doing? Right. Go. Confetti! 3, 2, 1.
You earned your star. Move.
Things are getting serious. I swap hands now. Yes! Yes!
Not okay, not okay.
Next round. Here we go. Britain, shoot, and go. That was mine. 1,000. 5.
It's your last game.
Go! Find up the scores. Let's go.
You win, it's a fix.
Let's examine their score.
Here we go. So,
That's in me for 149.80. Wow, that's this month. 498. Beautiful.
wow. I'm feeling very smug with myself. Bye, thank you. Okie doke. Plan is we're heading over to the Animal Kingdom because it is dead. It's there, Disney's Animal Kingdom number 34. I knew you could transfer to different parks. So we're transferring over to the Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Because we've kind of done things we wanted to do in Hollywood Studios, and the other rides are still really busy for some reason. Thought it would quieten down. So we didn't do Flight of Passage yesterday. Vivaco. And we didn't even go into Pandora yesterday because the weather was horrendous. So we checked the map and the wait times are like 10 minutes in the Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, literally everything's empty.
Yeah. So you can transfer to different parks after 10 a.m. Hi. Good job. Thank you. We've arrived back in the Animal Kingdom.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We're heading over to Pandora to do Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
And also get a night blossom drink.
Night blossoms acquired. They are delicious.
They are delicious.
I love the theme in here. Looks like he. Stay where you are. It looks like he's going to take a massive bite out of Alex's shoulder. Nom.
Please make sure you
number are
can
you,
all
Alex?
see the screen.
Number 9.
We think I'm number 9 losing petrol all the time.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. We're here in the Valley of Moira studying banshees and their environment. RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. The Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
Welcome. Thank you.
9/16 is going to be the back row.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
Oh, it smells. Yeah, it smells really strong.
Throughout this entire experience, remain seated,
Lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children. Para su seguridad, durante
bonito,
toda
everyone.
esta experiencia deberán permanecer.
Thank you very much. How was that?
I love it.
It is so good, isn't it?
I think it's my favourite ride.
Punchy mug.
I feel like we shouldn't be walking down here. We are heading out of Animal Kingdom now.
And we are heading back to the boardwalk.
Heading back to the boardwalk because, very important, my phone's run out of battery. And I can't survive without it. But also, we're gonna just chill, get some water, get some food.
What bus number are you going for then? I'm going 14. Hurry up before
24.
you can read. Thank you.
No, change my mind.
Hurry up before you can read the sign.
17.
17.
17.
20.
20.
20.
That's Disney's Yacht and Beach Club.
And boardwalk above it.
That way. Our bus is there. Oh good, the driver stood outside talking though, we don't need to run. Alright. And welcome. Welcome home, Max. To our little
Welcome home.
unexpected stay. These light shades are lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, beautiful. Come on here.
Thanks. Oh, put some lights on. Perfect. Woo.
Hello.
It's a few hours later. We've just been chilling for a little bit on our little sofa over there. We're going to head down to, they've got an Italian at the boardwalk called Trattoria Al Forno.
Yeah, we've heard quite a few good things about it, haven't we? So, looking forward to trying it.
We're going to go
eaten here before.
Go and try there. Come along. I love them. Ding! Oh, thank you. So we're seated.
We are seated.
Look at this garlic bread that we've ordered.
What have you gone for, Alec?
I have had
Gnocchi.
Yeah, so I said to him on the menu, would you go for the lasagna, the gnocchi, or the chicken parm? And he said, as a true Italian, the gnocchi is made just like my grandmother used to make it.
It's the closest to my grandmother's that I've ever had.
The closest to the grandmother's that I've ever had. And also have a side of steak with it. So I said, fine, sold, I'll have that with steak. And then I don't know if
going to be like 35 quid for you.
Yeah, well, this is the thing. I don't know if that was just a story to get me to buy that.
Who knows? And I've gone for the lasagna.
Yes. Are you going to wait for that garlic bread? Or...
Yeah.
And a glass of wine.
Yes.
Max's white wine sangria's arrived with ears. Yes.
I love it.
Mains. Max's lasagna. That looks really tasty.
It does look good. It smells delicious.
Does it? And here's my gnocchi and steak. And just like that, dessert.
One tiramisu.
One tiramisu, which we're sharing. What did you just say to me?
I was just pointing out.
You're getting angry with me.
No, I wasn't. That you seem to be having very fast, rapid spoonfuls here. I said I've only had 2 spoonfuls, and I think you're on spoonful 10.
Well, eat quicker then.
Well, here comes the rain.
When did it rain? Trattoria. Rating. Excellent. That. Oh, look how the lights are popping.
Lovely, isn't it?
Really nice.
I do love the boardwalk.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, so that gnocchi, I think, was the best gnocchi I've ever had.
Yeah, it was delicious, wasn't it?
Yeah, really, really nice. And what did you say? The tiramisu?
Yeah, the tiramisu was great.
Best tiramisu that you've ever had.
Yeah.
Delish. Just look at this. How lovely. We're heading into the shop. because we need a pin. Now we're staying at the boardwalk, we need a boardwalk pin. I see pins. Here's the boardwalk pin. Follow me to the boardwalk. Does it look okay? Yeah? Any other boardwalk merch we can have?
Literally, there's that much boardwalk merch. I can offer you a boardwalk loungefly, boardwalk mug, boardwalk ears.
Oh, that's quite a substantial mug, that is.
I can offer you a boardwalk quarter zip.
I do like a quarter zip.
I can offer you a tongue.
Oh, a tongue. Look at that.
Water bottle. I can offer you a bag.
The bag's nice, isn't it? Dude, is that a boardwalk gown?
I can offer you a boardwalk robe.
It is a boardwalk robe. Oh. That's very fluffy. Feel inside there.
Oh, that'd be nice. Just actually got a
It
nice
would,
bag.
wouldn't it? What price are we going for?
149.
100.
Ooh.
That's Daisy.
Yeah, we do need a daisy to complete our sensational 6 on the bed.
We do, but we've got about 400 teddies on the bed. Have you seen these earrings?
Oh, they're well cute.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah. Marie.
Oh! Oh, I like this blue one.
2 different types of boardwalk Christmas ornament. I can offer you the actual boardwalk itself.
That's cool. I bet they're heavy.
That's heavy.
That, yeah. Look at that, I like that.
Yeah, that is nice. I can see you in that.
I could see me in that.
However, it's in partnership with Vineyard Vines. So
I'm going to say 130.
115.
15. What size is that?
XL.
Find me a... We haven't. Okay, never mind. Do you know what that was? Yes, telling me not to get it. I like these pull string bags.
Oh, the retro upholstery.
Yeah. I really like that. A Pizza Planet one. Walt Disney World one. I like that. And they feel... Oh, look at it. It's like a...
So you can hang it on there.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're like a bit more padded, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Like
Rather
the actual
than the
strings that dig in.
I like that. Pin. Oh, can I buzz in? What? Oh, come on back. Oh.
Oh, is this just
Oh yeah, just in
extra?
case.
In case we want it, slash need it?
Yeah, so they've given us extra mugs, spoons, and takeaway cups, coffee, teas.
Nice.
Yeah, and we've just noticed they've also bought us a load of extra towels, which is very good because obviously we don't want to be, or wouldn't be anyway, ringing down on the day of the hurricane to request extra towels and relax. We've just been to the front desk and extended our stay here by one night because the hurricane is supposed to hit between the early hours on, well, it's supposed to hit the early hours of Thursday morning, and we were supposed to be leaving Thursday morning, so we've extended for another night. Better to be safe than sorry. So I don't know if we're going to be going to Vero Beach or not on this trip. We'll play it by ear.
Yeah, so we're now due to leave here on
Friday. Yeah.
So, yeah, we were due to be staying at Vero Beach Thursday night and Friday night. So we might be staying at Vero Beach for one night.
Or we might not be staying there at all. We're just watching Hocus Pocus.
Yeah.
Not sure what we'll be getting up to tomorrow because the parks are closing at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we probably won't be going to any of them. We're just going to
Hunker down and probably just stay in the
room, probably.
Yeah.
They said there's probably going to be some activities going on in the lobby area where you can go and pick up a board game or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's all unfamiliar, really, isn't it? So we'll see. But yes,
Yeah.
good night.
Good night.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, please give us a like if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see what we get up to next week.
Yeah.